In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Zoho CRM, a powerful tool for managing customer relationships and enhancing your business operations. Zoho CRM is user-friendly, but if you're new to it, setting it up can seem a bit daunting. So I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM website. This is your starting point where you will begin the process of setting up your account. Once the page loads, you'll see a button labeled Get Started. Go ahead and click on that. This will initiate the setup process for your new account, taking you to the registration page. Now, the first thing you're going to do is type in your full name. Make sure you enter your name as it appears on your official documents, as this will be the primary identifier for your account. It's important this information is both accurate and complete. Next, you'll need to enter a valid email address. Your email will serve as the main point of contact for any account-related matters, such as receiving notifications or resetting your password. Don't forget to double-check for any typos, as any mistake here can lead to issues in verification. After that, it's time to create a strong password. A strong password typically includes a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. This not only protects your information, but also helps prevent unauthorized access to your account. Make sure it's something you can remember, but also something that's hard for others to guess. The next step involves choosing your country from a drop-down list. This selection helps Zoho customize certain aspects of the service to better suit your specific location, like time zone settings and regional customer service support. Now, enter your mobile number. This additional layer of information can be useful for account verification purposes and to enhance security by enabling two-factor authentication, if needed. Once you've filled out all your personal information, you need to review the terms of service. Click on the checkbox to accept these terms. It's always a good idea to have a quick read-through so you're aware of what you're agreeing to. Finally, click on the highlight button to proceed. By doing this, you complete the registration process and gain access to the main features of Zoho CRM. You're now all set to explore the various tools available to streamline your business management. Remember, Zoho offers plenty of resources and tutorials to help you make the most of this platform. And that's it. A straightforward way to get started with Zoho CRM. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital workflows.